Hi friends, this is Miss Hutchins, and today we're going to play a game called 5 in a row subtraction with 3 cubes. In order to do this, you can access your Savvis account. So I'm already logged in as a student on ClassLink portal. I'm going to show you how to get there. So you would click the Pearson button, and then sometimes for some reason it pops up this screen. All you do is X out of it, click the Savvis button again. Sometimes it brings that up again and it says you're signed out. I'm not sure why. That's okay. X out again. Click Savvis again. And you'll finally get to where you need to be. Then you will click the Investigations 3 Common Core Grade 2 button. It'll take you to your page. You click My Work. Go to Tools. Grade 2 Game Center. Then you would find the one that says 5 in a row subtraction with 3 cubes. Now that we're here, I'm going to teach you how to play this game. So this is similar to 5 in a row with 4 cards, except this time you can cover the answer to one of 2 subtraction problems. In this game, you take away either of the smaller numbers on the dot cubes from the larger number cube. So I rolled a 10, a 3, and a 6. So I can use a counter to cover the answer to 10 minus 3, or I can cover the answer to 10 minus 6. So let's figure out the answers to these problems so we can decide which to cover. So when you're solving these at home, you might write them down on a piece of paper, draw a picture. You might be able to just know it in your head. You might even use the cubes that we provided you with. I know off the top of my head that 10 minus 3 is 7. So if I decided to do that one, I would find the number 7 down here. And there's more than one. I'm not going to cover every single 7. I'm only going to cover one 7. So that's one option. Or I can do 10 take away 6. Again, I know off the top of my head that 10 take away 6 is 4. So if I wanted to do that one, I would find a 4. And I would cover it. Now, like I said, you don't get to cover all the 4s. Another thing you need to be aware of is that you can't do 10 minus 3 is 7 and cover a 7, and 10 minus 6 is 4 and cover a 4. You have to pick one, either 10 minus 3 or 10 minus 6. So let's say I'm going to do 10 minus 3. I'll leave it on 1 7. And I want to pick my 7 wisely because my goal is to get 5 in a row. So I'm going to pick this one right here in the middle because I think that might help me get 5 in a row faster. Now, if you have somebody playing with you, it would now be their turn to go. But if you're just playing by yourself like I am, you can just try to get 5 in a row by yourself. So now that I've done one problem, I'm going to roll all 3 cubes again. So I got a 7, a 3, and a 3. So this time I don't really have to pick which one I would rather choose because no matter which one I subtract from, I'm going to get the same answer. So I know that 7 minus 3 is 4. So I'm going to find a 4 to cover. I think I'm going to cover this 4 because my goal is to get 5 in a row, and this 4 is in the same row as the one I've already covered. So I'm going to roll another round. All right, I got 8, 4, and 2. So I can do 8 minus 4, or I could do 8 minus 2. If I do 8 minus 4, I get 4. There's no 4 in this row that would help me get 5 in a row. So I'm going to move on to 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. Let's see if there's a 6 in this row. There is. I'm going to pick that one so I can cover it up. Now I only need 2 more to get 5 in a row. All right, I got 11 minus 3 or 11 minus 2. 11 minus 3 is 8. There's no 8 in this row, so that's not really going to benefit me. 11 minus 2 is 9. There's also no 9 in this row. So I can pick either 8 or 9 as because those were my two answers. If I pick an 8, I have one in this row, so maybe I could try start to get 5 a row here. If I picked 9, I don't really think that's going to help me very much because I see a 9 here. Well, there's a 9 here too. So really, either one would be okay. I think I'll go with 9. All right, I have 9 minus 6 or 9 minus 3. So 9 minus 6 is 3. There's none in this row and no 3 in this row. So let's check the other problem. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. No 6 in this row and no 6 in this row. But I do see a 6 here and a 6 here. I think maybe I will go for this 6. All right, 10, 1, and 6. So 10 minus 1 is 9. No 9 here, no 9 here, no 9 here. There's a 9 here. Or I could do 10 minus 6 and get 4. So 4 here and a 4 here. I think I'm going to go for the 9. All right, 10 minus 1 or 10 minus 5. Again, 10 minus 1 is 9. I don't see any 9s left, so that's not even an option. Or I could do 10 minus 5, and 10 minus 5 is 5. So I think I'll cover up this one. So as you can see, I need 2 more in this row or 2 more in this row. 9 minus 5 or 9 minus 3. So 9 minus 5 is 4. There's a 4 here and a 4 there. Or I could do 9 minus 3 is 6. There's a 6 here and a 6 there. I might go for the 6, because if I go there, then I would only need 2 to get it diagonally. See? All right, we have 9 minus 6 or 9 minus 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. I have a 3 here and a 3 here. Or I could do 9 minus 4 is 5. There's a 5 here and a 5 here. I think I'm going to go for this 5 because I only need 1 more to get 5 in a row diagonally. Let's see what happens. All right, 12 minus 3 or 12 minus 5. 12 minus 3 is 9. Again, we have no 9s left. Or I could do 12 minus 5, and that's 7. There's a 7 here and a 7 here. I'm going to pick this 7 because I would only need a 2 to get 5 in a row here. 12 minus 6 or 12 minus 2. 12 minus 6 is 6. 12 minus 2 is 10. There's a 6 here and there's a 10 here and a 10 here. Let's pick a 10. 7 minus 2 or 7 minus 3. 7 minus 2 is 5. Oh, there's another 5. Or 7 minus 3 is 4. And there's a 4 and there's a 4. Let's do 5. 8 minus 5, and they're both the same. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 in a row. Thank you all for playing with me.